In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a layer using Canva. If you've ever found yourself wanting to make certain elements of your design temporarily disappear without permanently deleting them, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through the steps of effectively hiding a layer, allowing you to revisit and adjust your design as needed. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to canva.com. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the login button. Click on that and sign in using your preferred method, whether that's Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin working on your design. Next, you can either create a new design from scratch or choose an existing project you want to work on. Once your design is open, the layer or element you intend to hide should be selected. When you click on this layer, various settings will appear, typically on the top toolbar. Here, you want to look for the Adjust tab. Inside this tab, you'll find a transparency slider. By sliding this all the way to 0%, you effectively make that layer invisible. An important note to remember is that by adjusting the transparency to 0, you're not removing the layer from your design. It's simply hidden out of sight but can be brought back at any time by readjusting the transparency. Now, if your intention is to hide the element behind other layers or elements, you can do this easily as well. Simply right click on the layer and choose the option that says Send to Back. This rearranges your layers, placing the selected one beneath everything else. It's a handy feature for layering complex designs without losing an element permanently. Another useful tool is the Layers panel. To access this, select an element on your design and then go to Position, followed by Layers. This panel provides an overview of all the layers in your design, whether visible or hidden. Through this panel, you can easily manage which layers show on top and which ones are pushed to the back. It also offers an intuitive way to manipulate layer transparency if you need further adjustments. In conclusion, using these simple yet powerful features in Canva allows you to take full control of your design layers. By carefully managing visibility and layering, you can keep your workspace organized and your design iterations flexible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to explore new design possibilities without fear of losing any part of your creative work. Thanks for watching and happy designing.